Most of the disease or illnesses that we see in the world, see around us, that we may even experience in our life are chronic illness. What's a chronic illness? Chronic illness is something is not terminal. You're not going to die from it, but they affect the quality of your life. They affect the functionality, your normal day-to-day functionality. They impede your life. So, what are some of the chronic conditions? Is one very common one is this constant experience of aches and pains in the body. So the aches and pains, it's sometimes diagnosed as arthritis. Many times it's a diagnosis of the exclusion called the fibromyalgia. And so other chronic conditions are like a feeling of restlessness or lethargy. And then there's like any of the cardiovascular issues. They are long term, they're chronic, they come in the way of you living your full life. And respiratory issues, like constantly having sinuses, allergies, colds, and flus, being very susceptible to weather changes, and there's then any conditions that result from weakened immunity, your normal day-to-day life stress that the body just cannot handle. So, what is the relationship uh, of the chronic illness to the energy? So, one more thing I want to explain. In the Western medical model, every disease is treated as an acute condition, right? And every disease is treated at the physical level because that is the level of their training. That's where the training is. But any of this model's recommendations or their protocol, it does not get rid of the chronic conditions. It just masks the symptoms of it, which in turn creates other kinds of symptoms. So, chronic illness is something we create subconsciously with our thoughts, our way of living, our lifestyle habits, and we actually create it, but we don't realize it. We just think, oh, wow, all of a sudden I'm feeling this. It just happened all of a sudden. So it's not happening all of a sudden. We've been creating it for a long time subconsciously. So the relationship of energy to chronic illness is direct. Anytime when we are experiencing negativity in our mind, in our heart, in our experiences in our life, and we do not address it, we are helping in creating our chronic illness, because just because we don't address it, the experience of it has already happened on the energetic level. Then when we are chronically doing that, the experience is embedded in the body, in the physical tissues. So this is going to be the subject matter of my upcoming course, 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom. It's held on July 19th and 26th, 2 sessions, 2.5 hours each on Tuesdays. Take a look at the link that I'll be putting here and click the link, look at the information. If it resonates with you, I highly recommend that you come and attend the course. It's going to help you with the chronic illnesses that you are experiencing.